time we're going to go ahead and do write the coordinates with IXL L6. Reflections, find the coordinates. So what we're going to do is write the coordinates of the vertices after reflection across the x-axis. So you don't actually have to graph anything. All you have to do is put in the answers here. So what I'm going to do is call on my knowledge of the algebraic rule. If I'm reflecting across the x-axis, then the rule is going to be f comma xy transforms to x comma negative y. The x coordinate will stay the same and the y coordinate is going to reverse. So what I can do is just know that all my x coordinates here, -8, 0, all stay the same, and all of these switch to negatives. This is actually a simpler IXL than the last one. So I go -8, and then I go -8, 0, and then on this side I'm going to switch them all from positives to negatives right there, just like that, and that should work. I can do that without graphing it out. Now, if I had wanted to, go through and do all the translations and, sketch the shape out and find the coordinates, I could have done that, but honestly, it would have been extra work because all I can do is use the algebraic rule, and it gives me the answer. This one is a reflection across the y-axis. So all you got to do is remember, if I'm reflect across y-axis, then I'm going to take my f of x comma y, and I'm going to transform that to I flip the x, keep the y the same. So on this one, I copy all the y coordinates unchanged. So let's go over here and keep all the y coordinates the same. 2 stays 2, 4, 4, 2. The x coordinates flip. This flips from a negative to a positive, negative to a positive, negative to positive, negative to positive. And that's basically going to take this that was over here in the negative and put it somewhere over here, just like that, roughly. And that will give me my correct answers. Reflection across the x-axis. When I get good enough at this, I don't even have to write the rule. I can just roll with it. If I'm reflecting across the x-axis, then all the x coordinates stay the same. So keep all my x coordinates exactly the same, and instead flip the y coordinates from positives to negatives. And that will work just fine.